Thank you again for being on Nusa Health and Wellness platform. Today, I dengan someone yang very special actually and very dear to my heart. My birthday gift since
20 years ago.
yeah, 20 years ago. Okay, she's my lovely daughter. I call her Kakak. Okay, her full name is Wan Batrusha Shasmin. I call her Kakak. Kakak Isha.
Yes.
Yeah. So why today is a bit different, but I nak explore and ask her about her life as being an A student, Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah.
and also balancing her life as a student and being a key opinion leader ataupun orang panggil KOL. Okay, so thank you Kakak for being on my platform today.
Oh, yay. Now I'm on her platform.
Yes, yes. So today kita just nak try to understand more how actually she started her journey from from after SPM. Actually, she did not do well in her SPM,
Yeah.
right?
Not good. Not great.
Not great.
Not great.
Yeah. So we had bumps here and there. Alhamdulillah, she managed to do it. But before she started her journey, Mami nak tanya, macam mana actually kakak boleh start pilih Masscom as your field of study?
Okay, so it all started because I main TikTok. Okay, for fun, just for fun.
Mhm.
And then one day, because of my viral videos or something, people started to macam, oh, nak tak buat review for our product. So at first, I got gift review. It means like, diorang tak bayar. So bila dah lama-lama sangat, my mom terus macam, this is too much and they're not paying you. So, and then she started like, okay.
Let me be your branding manager because
Yes.
kebetulan I've been doing that for the past more than a decade. And when I saw what she's been doing, I rasa this is not right. You know, you should at least give some payment. So I started to teach her and do some strategy. Sebab bukan setakat you buat review, you say hi dalam TikTok, you submit, okay. The work behind it is wow, messy actually.
It's really
Ah.
messy. It's really tiring. Lagi-lagi when you're working alone.
Yeah.
Sebab
Yelah.
you lah yang kena
Buat
fikir
apa?
content.
Okay, isi konten lagi.
Okay, fikir content.
Hmm.
And then you kena bersiap.
Mhm.
You lah yang kena shoot.
Mhm.
You lah yang kena edit.
Mhm.
You lah yang kena handle clients.
Yes.
So, a lot of things.
A lot of things. So berbaloi ke kalau just bagi barang? Kalau at least
Yes.
macam she has already some experiences. So after I got to know about that, I tolong my own daughter how to really manage her part-time. So
So, it all started since I was 15-year-old.
15 years old.
15 tahun korang.
Mula-mula dia punya minat nak jadi apa? CSI or something?
Yes, actually I wanted to
Ah.
be a crime scene investigator.
Mhm.
So that's why I took science stream dekat sekolah.
Okay. Waktu tu tak tahu apa-apa
Tak
kan.
tahu
But
apa-apa
then
macam, yeah.
during COVID lagi.
COVID.
So kena study from home. But itu yang I can see actually she's doing this and she wanted to do CSI. So I just let her do what she wanted to do. But after result SPM keluar, we know that CSI is like going down with the drain. So we have to re-strategize.
Okay, so
Hmm.
I got only 1A for my SPM and obviously it's English.
Yes.
That's the only A I got.
Mother tongue dia lah kononnya English.
So
ya.
yang lain semua macam core subject semua okay lah B and all. But my science subject memang went down. Like I didn't even get credit for it.
Yeah.
So how can I be into science course?
Mhm.
So that's where my mom macam, oh, you're doing this as a KOL. You're doing this on TikTok. So what if you try and get into Masscom? And then I started to ask her, what is Masscom? And then she explained. Macam, oh,
Yeah.
okay. It's
I
like,
try to direct her lah.
I can see the path lah. Macam kalau I ambil Masscom, dia ada kena mengena dengan my part-time ni right now.
Dia kena memang kira sejajar dengan apa yang dia tengah buat.
Betul.
So me as a mom, every ladies, we as a mother, we just wanted our kids to do their best and enjoy what they're doing. You know, so when I know that I realize this is what she can do, I give her suggestion. So somehow, Alhamdulillah, I bawa you kan pergi tengok juga like courses Mescom ni ada ambil subjek apa. Because she kalau boleh nak elakkan banyak numbers punya classes
Oh
kan.
my god, I hate number guys.
So kita cari. I cakap
talking
dengan
about
dia,
that, I
what?
didn't even get credit for my SPM. So when you don't even get credit for your core subject, it's really hard for you to pursue into your studies.
Betul. So it means that lepas that kita ada buat like tour, kita tengok kalau courses Mescom or whatever other courses, apa yang ada kurang ambil subjek yang might be dia tak minat. So I think that was a good step. At least for her to understand, oh, I should take this rather than bulat-bulat dia ikut cakap dia also buat dia punya own research. So Alhamdulillah, diam tak diam daripada pra-diploma di UiTM Dungun, now currently she's taking her diploma in Mescom di UiTM Rembau. So next year internship. Sekejap je kan, tapi mak dia masih rasa muda. So that's the most important thing. Okay, so she likes to do this kind of face when I say that. So, okay, so this is your third semester.
Yes,
right?
This is already my third semester in diploma.
Okay, so first semester almost didn't sleep, but almost a little bit. She was crying sedih gila.
But my mom was so happy.
I'm like, hey,
That's
you
a good
did
result.
much better than me.
But
you should be happy.
I was crying. I was like, Mommy, I could get like a little bit more than this.
Yeah. So, but I said, no, right now, the most important is actually you are competing with yourself.
True.
I know you can do much better for your second, your third and sampai you grad. Cuma tak adalah the vice chancellor punya. Yang tu je. But I kata, at least she has the kelebihan to do much better. I'm not as studious as her, I think. Okay? But when she said that, Mummy, I want to do much better for my second semester. So, Alhamdulillah, almost 4 flat for the previous semester.
Yes, so for my second sem, I got 3.95.
So then, sampai tu dia ada juga buat part-time as the key opinion leaders. Right? So, the way how she balance it is amazing. Because sometimes I call her at night, masih belum tidur, tengah buat assignment. You know, so how actually kakak you balance yourself? Because you know the goals in your life right now, you wanted to really just be an A student. So how do you balance as being a student, happy being a student, enjoy your life as a student, but still continue as a key opinion leader?
Okay, so basically I'm a type A person. So it means type A person is that you're always on schedule, you have organized things and all. So I always try to organize myself. I always try to put things on schedule. So I will put my assignments first. And then after I finish my assignments, I will try to do my part-time as a KOL. Maknanya macam lepas I dah buat je assignment tu, I macam okay, pukul ni, buat video pula, buat content pula. So I always try to manage my time.
So the keyword is managing time.
Yes.
And actually, previous semester she went for casting.
Yeah, I went for casting. Oh yeah,
she got the part.
I did
she
a lot
got
of
the part.
I got the part.
But as how to say, I'm very proud. She let it go because she said she wanted to focus in her finals.
Yeah,
exam.
The thing is that I got the part, and then when they called me to go for the closed casting, I got the character and all. I said I can't go because I'm doing my finals.
Yeah.
I have like a lot of final assignments,
so
final
I'm so proud
exams.
of you because you know how to.
So I put aside first.
Yang mana lebih penting dulu. I don't mind for her to do whatever she likes, but when she's at this kind of young age, she already know mana satu yang patut didahulukan. So for me as a mom, I think she's ready for the world. So I'm very, very proud of her. I'm always proud of you, kakak. So somehow, we share the same birthday. Unfortunately for me, I think.
Unfortunately for you. That's unfortunate for me.
Sebab kena share birthday gift je.
I
Alright.
don't like that part. Guys, I'm just saying, if it's our birthday, make sure you
Now,
guys have
kena
2 separate
two
gifts.
separate gift. Okay, itu je lah.
I'm
But
an adult
actually, yeah,
now.
I'm blessed
Yeah.
to have her on my birthday 20 years ago. But somehow, this is the best part to really be my story last time. Like I mostly do freelance because I really wanted to be at home and be with my kids. So here she is now, very adulthood, like another year.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
One more
then-
year.
Yeah, one more year. So, how do you feel?
I feel, I don't know, I'm scared.
But you know you always have me,
Yeah.
kan? So we can
And-
chat because I believe in open discussion. Like I said, Nusa platform is an open discussion. Maybe this is a video that you can share with your kids, your friends, that give ideas how can you talk to your kids about for them to finding their own ways, what they wanted to do for their futures. And for both of us, we are still doing it because it's not
We're still
done yet.
learning.
Learning, yeah, we're still learning. I'm still learning. For me as a mother, I'm proud to have her as my daughter. Of course, of
That's
course.
sweet.
So, yeah, the bumps and anything that we
Yeah.
hate, we try just go on with our life. That is
True.
something that mother and daughter always share a special bond.
True.
Ya, gaduh tu ada.
Gaduh tu
As in-
banyak.
Okay. Naughty sikit tu ada.
Banyak juga.
Banyak juga. Selalu kena marah dengan mami pun ada.
Itu banyak juga.
Ya.
Because when I'm with my friends, they're always shocked that whenever I talk to my mom on the phone, they will always say, macam, oh, who's, like, what kind of friend are you talking with? Like,
Yeah.
who's that friend? I'm like, no, I'm talking to my mother. Is that how you talk to your mother?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we talk. We
Because
talk
we are very
as
close.
we talk as friends.
Yes.
And that's why I can just say anything to her. That's why I can ask a lot of
Yeah.
advice from her without
Mm.
feeling that she will
I will not
marah me.
judge.
Ah,
I
she
will not judge.
judge.
Because I always tell all my kids, I have 3 kids, okay? All my kids, I can listen. I can give my opinion. But you make your own decision.
And you deal with that decision. It
Yeah.
means like anything that comes to you with your decision, you deal with it.
Mhm.
That's where you learn. So that's how I learn, because my mom let me do my decisions.
Yeah. So that's the best part about being a mother. And when you see that your kids already on the path that they should go for their own future, kita cuma nak yang terbaik untuk anak-anak kita. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we can share more about your life as a student later, or more about your key opinion leaders side that you can share with others so they can share to their kids also.
Yep.
Right, so anything that you wanted to say before we say goodbye for now?
To what kind of nasihat should I give? Like what to people? Okay. To
To
the
the parents.
Okay,
to-
for now, to the parents out there, I'm hoping that you guys can have this kind of conversations with your kids, because it will make them develop even more. They can be much more open, and you can see their potential so much. So just be open, don't judge. Don't control their life. Let them do the decision, and they will learn from their mistakes.
Yes.
They will learn from their mistake.
Learn a lot, eh?
I've learned a lot. My mom macam, okay, buat je.
What you
But
want?
anything that happens to you, you deal with yourself, and you're gonna learn from it.
Yeah.
Because from my experience, I have this one friend.
Mhm.
We grew up differently, where my
Okay.
mom is so open, while her mom is so not. And to the point, bila dah besar sekarang, I jadi sangat tak, I'm not scared of the world. Maknanya macam kalau my mom campak I, mana-mana pun, I can leave, I can be out there. I'm not
She
scared.
can go
I
out,
can
go back,
I
come back.
can
Yeah.
be social, walaupun I'm quite an
Mm.
introvert, but I can put myself.
Yeah.
But for her, as small as macam, macam mana nak naik LRT? I'm so scared of talking to people. I don't know how to talk to people. I don't know how to interact.
It's time for her to change secara orang kata on the spot.
Yes,
Because-
and then now, mak dia dah jenis macam, okay lah, you dah besar, do whatever with your life. And now dia dah terpinga-pinga. So everything she asks me, Sebab I
Okay.
daripada I kecil, my mum
Daripada
dah
kecil.
macam,
That's how I
my
dengan my
mum
kids lah.
Dulan
Because
tak suka pun.
yeah,
benda tu.
because everybody has their own ways with
Betul.
their kids, right? So maknanya kalau yang that kind of apa ni kawannya tu dia kena macam okay, just be tough. So at least your friend, she has you.
Yeah,
She can ask. So
I'm
that's
so
what,
grateful that
because
I have someone
was,
to give advice.
yeah. So
And to
she's very independent now. I can just travel and do my work and all. I don't have to
she
be
let me
worried
travel
about
anywhere
her.
I want.
Yeah.
She always say like, oh, in your university life, go have fun. Balance your life, go have fun. Because this is the only time where you're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
And
She's right.
Yeah. And my advice to the students or my people my age out there.
What's your advice?
Let me see. I don't know. Okay. Let me
What?
think. Okay, once you're in your uni life, just have fun. Find good people.
Find the right people.
Find the right people because
hang
it will
out,
affect
That's what I
your
told you,
life.
right?
Yes, it will affect your life very, very much, including your studies, including the way you think, including the way you talk, your character. So find good people in uni. So yeah, just know how to balance life.
Balance
You
the
can
life.
do the bads, you can do the goods. Balance.
Yeah.
There's not always good in life.
So you are right now considered as the young adult.
Yes,
Very young adult.
very young.
Yeah. Very soon to be in adulthood in another less than a year. Yeah. So I wish you all the best as the little kakak. You know
Thank
how
you,
much I
mother.
love you so much. Okay, so enjoy your life as a student and
I'm
as
enjoying it.
key opinion leaders, and perhaps what you wanted to pursue after that, you always have my blessings. Okay?
Oh yeah. Give your kids the best.
Yeah, give the best, inshallah.
That's the most important part.
Yeah. So, thank you so much. Hopefully, we can invite Isha again.
Yeah, and hope to have new experience so I can talk more.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. So, stay tuned. Follow us the YouTube, Nusa Health and Wellness. I will invite more other ladies, young ladies, perhaps already after 40s, in their 70s, to share their stories. So this is what Nusa platform is all about. Thank you. Till then.
Bye guys.